Hi there, I'm from a veterinary clinic, and today we're going to talk about the kitten vaccination schedule that we typically use here in the United States. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We make weekly videos to help keep you and your pets happy and healthy, so be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Not sure when to vaccinate your cat? Here's a quick US cat vaccination schedule you need to know. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below because we love getting to answer as many of those as possible. That is why most of the time we recommend waiting until your kitten is at least 6 to 8 weeks old before giving them their very first FVRCP shot. Talk to your vet to find out which vaccine they recommend and how often boosters are needed. Now let's get into it. When should you vaccinate your cat? It's a great question, and one that I get asked all the time. So we typically recommend the vaccine for all outdoor cats and cats with access to outdoor spaces such as porches or patios. Indoor cats are not usually exposed to FELV and can therefore avoid the vaccine, although some indoor cats may still benefit from it. Your kitten's third FVRCP shot will be given when they are 14 to 16 weeks old. At this visit, we'll also give your cat their first rabies booster. Discuss the risks and benefits of the vaccine with your vet to decide whether it is right for your cat. If you do decide to vaccinate your indoor cat against FELV, we recommend giving the first 2 doses at 10 to 12 weeks of age, followed by a booster dose 4 to 6 weeks later. That's why it's important to keep your cat up to date on their vaccinations, even if they don't go outside. After that, your cat will need a booster shot every 6 months until they are 16 weeks old. Once they are fully vaccinated, your cat will need a yearly booster to stay protected. These are 3 highly contagious viruses that can cause serious illness in unvaccinated cats. Cats who test positive for FELV should be kept indoors and isolated from other cats to prevent the spread of the virus. Luckily, though they are all preventable with a vaccine, the FVRCP vaccine is also known as the distemper vaccine, since distemper is one of the viruses it protects against. In the US, it is the law to vaccinate cats against rabies once they are 16 weeks old or older. After that, they'll need a booster shot every 1 to 3 years, depending on the vaccine used in your state laws. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Vaccines save lives. Be sure to check with your local animal control or state department of health to find out when and how often your cat needs a rabies booster. And the vaccine is administered in a series, meaning that your kitten will need several doses over several weeks or months to develop immunity. This is because the first dose won't give them complete protection. They need that initial dose to get their immune system primed. Then the second and third doses help to boost their immunity. When do kittens need their first vaccinations? Kittens are totally dependent on their mom for antibodies to help protect them from deadly diseases. What is FVRCP? Well, it stands for Feline, Vero, Rhino. Your kitten's second FVRCP shot should be given when they are between 10 and 12 weeks old. At this visit, we also offer the FELV vaccine to our patients. FELV stands for Feline Leukemia virus. It's a retrovirus that can cause a range of health problems in cats, including immunosuppression, increased risk of certain cancers, and fatal infections. While the vaccine isn't 100% effective at preventing infection, it can help reduce your cat's risk of contracting the disease and lessen the severity of symptoms if your cat has become infected. After your kitten has received the initial series of FVRCP vaccinations, they will need booster shots every 1 to 3 years, depending on the vaccine your vet uses and the level of protection needed. At what age should my kitten receive their second FVRCP shot? Cats who go outdoors or are in contact with other cats who go outdoors have a higher risk of contracting FELV. If you've adopted an adult cat, ask your vet if they recommend testing for FELV. So when will my kitten need their third FVRCP shot? Rabies is a viral disease that affects the nervous system and can be fatal. Even indoor cats need vaccines. Viruses can enter your home through people, other animals, or on objects like shoes or clothing. Keep your furry friends safe and healthy. Like and follow us for more quick pet tips.